Hi everyone, my name is Adabal Lakisai Gunan and my metric number is 01DIT24F 2005. Have you ever faced any problems in downloading avast antivirus? Don't worry, in this tutorial, I will teach you how to download avast antivirus safely. Remember, official sources are key for computer protection. Next, open your browser and go to www.avast.com. Point to the address bar, then double check the URL to avoid phishing. Zoom in slightly on the address bar. Now find the download. Highlight the download button. After that, click it. Also, note where the files are saved. I'm using downloads. After the download, switch the file to the Explorer. Once in downloads, right-click the installer and run administrator. Click and show UAC prompt. Beforehand, ensure your OS is updated. Switch to avast installer window. After that, follow the prompts. I'll do a basic install. Click through options. Important, read terms and avoid app software. After installation, switch to avast interface. Immediately after, update avast. For that, you can click update. Then, run a full system scan. After the update, switch back to your face. Finally, you are done. Avast is installed. In summary, use official source, avoid suspicious links and keep it updated. Thanks and stay safe.